video, back. And today I'm here with a hair tutorial on this bomb half up, half down look with some cute little waves, just to kind of make it a little bit more wavy because the wig did come body wave and I just wanted a tighter curl. So this hair is from AliPearl hair. I'm gonna leave all the details in the description box below, of course. But if you like to see how I got this pretty style, please like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so I already put the glue around here just to get the cap, ready. So now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just cut off the excess lace that I do not need. So I'm gonna get my handy dandy mirror and then let's just get to cutting off that excess lace because we don't need that lace like at all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut it. And you guys already know when cutting off the cap, you just want to be careful not to cut off your hair because that would not be a good thing if you cut off your hair. Tint the cap just a tad bit more because it's already tinted, but it's not tinted all the way how I like it. So I'm just gonna tint it just a little bit more, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tint the frontal because you can't leave your frontal not tinted. It's not gonna come out right and you're gonna be wondering why your wig looking ashy, okay? So you want to make sure your weave is tinted. Y'all, this lace right here, I ain't gonna knock it. This company, AliPearl, got some bomb lace. I'm about to show y'all. Y'all already know I only review the best of the best. So look at this. Stop playing with me. Hold on. That's not even a good view. Stop playing. Do you see that? How transparent that is? Like, y'all, this lace is lit. So this is how it's looking. You see? You can see through my forehead. This lace is lit. Okay, so everything is already laced up and all that good stuff. So now what I'm gonna do is clean my hairline with a little bit of alcohol just to make sure that there's no oils or anything on my head because the glue will not stick if there is a lot of oil on it. So I'm just taking off any excess makeup or anything that I have around my hairline, just like that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just take it off by dabbing, literally. Okay, so now I'm gonna do is put on our wig and get this show on the road. So I already pre-plucked it. It already came a little plug, but I wanted to plug more. But now we're gonna just go ahead and put on our wig. And clips in the inside for extra security. I got mine on the last strap. So now it's just time to flare on. You just want to make sure that it fits you good, like exactly how you want it, before we get to gluing things down, because you don't want to glue it down and it's not how you want it. So I literally just put it on my head like this and it's transparent. You see that? This lace is so thin and it's so good when it, when the lace is thin, that's a really good thing. You just got to be very careful just to not over pluck it and put holes in it or anything like that because it's very delicate, but it's also great quality. And your lace looks better and it looks way more natural with the lace like this, like when it's very thin. So now that I got the hair exactly how I want it to be and exactly where I want it to be, I'm gonna go ahead and do my 2 layers of glue, lay it down. Baby hairs, y'all already know how I'm rocking. And I kind of want to do a cute style, like a cute half up, half down with some wand curls or something. So we might get a little fancy today, but for now, let's go ahead and put on our 2 layers of glue and let's get it. So I'm going to be using the lace grip glue. That's what I normally use all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on my little palette thingy just so it's easier. And I'm going to apply the glue with my finger. Make sure that your hand is completely clean before doing that because it just helps smooth it in way more when I just use my finger. So I'm just gonna do that. Look at me, check it one more time just to make sure that it fits exactly how I like it and where I want it to go. So, all right, guys. Second application of the glue. Okay, so you see that? It's like really laid. So now what you want to do is go ahead and you want to blow dry on warm.
You are such a fool. You wouldn't even know if it was in your face. Boy, you are so good. And I don't wanna deal with this today. You wanted a future, but couldn't handle the present. I don't even wanna bring up the past. That shit was a lesson. And I learned my lesson. I'm tired of stressing. Mama said you were no good, and I was a blessing. See, I had niggas calling from the east side. I even had them calling from the west side. It's so crazy that I had you on my mind all this time. Crazy that I had you on my mind.
Alright guys, so now it's time to style it. And I'm thinking of doing a half up, half down style with some bomb beach wave type wand curls. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get into that and start that up. So yeah, I'm thinking about taking my baby hairs out really quick and then just pushing the hair all the way up and then starting it that way, just so that I do not accidentally pull up all of my baby hairs, because I gotta have baby hairs, y'all know this. So I think that's what I'm gonna do.
I don't even wanna hear that. I need my distance. You never listen. You were always tripping. I'm so over that. I want a mission, yeah. See, I had niggas calling from the east side. I even had them calling from the west side. It's so crazy that I had you on my mind all this time. Crazy that I had you on my mind, but now I regret it. I had regretted it. You wasted like all of my time, and I know I won't back. You were so worthless. I hope she was worth it. You can't get me back now. No, you can't get me back. See, I had niggas calling from the east side. I even had them calling from the west side. See, I had niggas calling from the east side. I even had them calling from the west side. It's so crazy that I had you on my mind all this time. Crazy that I had you on.
Alright guys, so now what we're gonna do is start putting the hair up. So I'm just gonna part out where I want the actual high ponytail to be. So I'm just gonna start parting that out now. I really want it crisp and neat, So I'm gonna try my best. So let's just do it.
You might wanna hear this. I'm so done with you, cause you are such a fool. You wouldn't even know if it was in your face. Boy, you are so fucking.
This is the part that's going to be put up into a pony. Okay, so for this, I'm going to be using wax and I'm going to be using the Got To Be spray.
That shit was a lesson, and I learned my lesson. I'm tired of stressing. Mama said you were no good, and I was a blessing. See, I had niggas calling from the east side. I even had them calling from the west side. It's so crazy that I had you on my mind all this time. Crazy that I had you on my mind, but now I regret it. I hate I regretted it. You wasted like all of my time, and I know I want better. You was so worthless. I hope she was worth it. You can't get me back now. No, you can't get me back. You had me right in my eyes. I don't know why I'm surprised. It wasn't the first time, but it will be the last. Tired of speaking my mind. You didn't listen every time. I didn't wanna complain, but things weren't the same. You calling my phone now.
You want to make sure you have on your glove. Okay, let's go. Crazy that I had you on my mind, but now I regret it. I hate I regretted it. You wasted like all of my time, and I know I want better. You were so worthless. I hope she was worth it. You can't get me back now. No, you can't get me back. You might wanna hear this. You might wanna hear this. I'm so done with you, cause you are such a fool. You wouldn't even know if it was in your face. Boy, you are so fucking. And I don't wanna deal with this today. You wanted a future, but couldn't handle the present. I don't even wanna bring up the past. That shit was a lesson, and I learned my lesson. I'm tired of stressing. Mama said you were no good, and I was a blessing. See, I some people wrap around hair. I don't really do that all the time because it's rubber band so thick and black. It's like you can't even really tell, in my opinion. So I'm just not gonna bother. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna just brush the waves up just a little bit because I'm just kind of going for a wave look, not really something too dramatic, you know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush these out just a tad bit like that. So yeah guys, this is the final look. The hair is so soft, it curled so nicely. I feel like the baby hairs came out really cute, and just everything about the hair is just amazing. Like I love it. Look at that. I'm getting bubble gum, I'm getting hot tamale. I'm getting everything. This hair is so cute, and it came out so pretty. I'm just so excited, and I just can't wait to post my pictures. Like, I'm really feeling myself right now. But if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, shop AliPearl hair. Shop AliPearl hair. This hair is so bomb. The lace was so thin. I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful to do this collaboration with them. Give me a thumbs up. I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.